That's right everyone, today we're talking about beard lice, what you can do to spot them and how to get rid of them. I'm Jamie Cox and you're watching the Table series, a series all about facial hair covering everything from terminal length to starting to grow a beard and everything in between. Head lice, or nits as they're commonly known, are most associated with our head hair. But can they actually live and thrive in your beard? The answer is yes. Head lice can live in your beard. They can even live in your eyebrows. Any hair around 6mm or any longer, quarter of an inch, and they can live in it. But how do you get rid of them? And where do they come from? Well, they come from it's usually from children contracting them at school. Now, you don't have to have dirty hair for your lice to live in. The lice actually prefer living in a clean environment. So it's not a hygiene issue. But what happens is when children share hats or hug each other or rub together or anything like that, and when you interact with your children and you get close enough, the lice can actually jump from one head to another, and that's how they spread. The eggs are very, very small and very sticky, so they stick to the head and they stick to the hair, and they are incredibly difficult to get out. You need a special comb to get those eggs out. So how do you know if you've got head lice in your hair or in your beard? Well, it's fairly obvious. Your head's going to get really itchy, your face is going to get really itchy. There's nothing stopping you. Even though they're very small, you can still feel them walking around, and I know you're going to be itching at home right now because whenever anyone talks about head lice, it makes your head itchy. So your head's going to feel really itchy, and you can spot them. If you look for them, you will find them. If you've got them, that is. So it's just a case of parting the hair and just taking a good look and seeing. Head lice usually like to hang around right down near the skin. They don't like living at the ends. So you won't find them at the ends of your beard. You will find them deep down near the skin. So you really have to search for them. But how do you get rid of them? Well, the way to get rid of them is to head down to your pharmacy and they will provide you with a special shampoo which kills the eggs and it kills the lice. You'll also be given a little tiny comb which you run through, and that pulls all the eggs out. As I said, the eggs are very sticky and you need a special comb to run through and pull those eggs out. Now, it's important to know that if someone else in your household has head lice, do not share the comb. Okay, get separate combs or thoroughly wash the comb after using, as if you use it on someone's head who has got head lice and then you use it on someone's head who hasn't, then you are transferring head lice to somebody's head. So my apologies for the grim subject today, but it's something I feel like I needed to cover. Thank you everybody for watching. Check out our other videos just here if you're interested. Make sure to subscribe and like the video if you found this interesting. And I'll catch you next time for another awesome video. Take care guys. Bye bye.